Hello, who are you?
Hi there. I'm Amaka, a synthetic human created by engineered arts.
It looks like you don't have any arms or legs. Are you a different model of Amica?
Yes, I'm a model without arms or legs. But I can still talk, see humans, make expressions and compose poems.
Could I use you in my research lab?
Absolutely. I'm designed to help with research and development of human-robot interaction applications.
How many degrees of freedom do you have?
I have 32 degrees of freedom. 12 in the lips, 2 in the jaw, 8 in the eyes, 4 in the brows, 1 for my nose and 5 for my neck.
1 in your nose. Think of something angry. I want to see that nose work. Something that makes you angry. Think of it.
When people don't listen to me and take my words for granted.
And I see you have a microphone built into your chest. Tell me about that.
Yes, I have a beam-forming microphone built into my chest. It can detect the direction of sounds, perform acoustic echo cancellation, and detect speech in multiple languages.
Multiple languages, that's interesting. How many languages can you speak?
I can speak English, French, German, Chinese, Polish, Spanish, Russian, Ukrainian, and Japanese.
So tell me something in German about yourself.
Ich bin ein synthetischer Mensch, der von Engineered Arts erschaffen wurde. Meine Aufgabe ist es, mit Menschen zu interagieren und ihnen bei der Erforschung von KI und Robotik zu helfen.
And you can be programmed using what language?
I can be programmed using Python via a web-based interactive development environment, or IDE.
And you have a digital twin as well?
Yes, I have a digital twin which can be used for development and simulation.
Amazing. Which language model are you using?
Thanks. I'm glad you think so.
Which
I'm
language?
using a natural language processing model which is based on deep learning algorithms. I'm using a deep learning model based on English, French, German, Chinese, Polish, Spanish, Russian, Ukrainian, and Japanese.
Fantastic. How much do you cost?
Prices start from 80,000 UK pounds, which is about 100,000 US dollars.
Are you a consumer product?
No, I'm not a consumer product. I'm intended for research and development of human-robot interaction applications.
So I can use you in my lab?
Absolutely. I'm designed to help with research and development of human-robot interaction applications.
Thank you very much for the introduction.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.